This is Khalid Iqbal speaking from Dallas, Texas. I received a couple of letters the other day and they were asking me that what type of CV resume is required in order to get job in United States of America. Those people who are asking me these type of questions, they split into two parts. One, those who are already living in overseas countries and they are interested to come to America under H-1B visa, which is a skilled worker category. And second are those people who are already in America. They are legally, lawfully resident, and now they are in the process of applying for the jobs. Let me tell that in America, unlike in our countries where we keep writing our resume consisting of pages and pages, we write stories and maybe sometime concocted stories, for which otherwise we have not ever exposed to those situations, but in order to impress the employer, we keep writing. Unlike that practice here in America, they need one-page resume. This one-page resume is needed without attaching any testimonials, without attaching any certificates. This is I'm talking for those jobs which are average type of jobs. Even which are highly skilled jobs, employed, they don't need to attach all the degrees, diplomas, and certificates. But those categories like to become a professor in a university after doing a PhD, you need to attach your certificate. If you wanted to become a research scholar, you need to attach. If you become a surgeon, you need to attach your FRCS, MRCBS, all other degrees. Or if you are coming to the United States of America in order to enhance your level of education, of course, then you need to attach your all paper certificates along with the equivalency certificate, along with the GRE or MRE grades which you obtain from their marks. But other than that, in order to get job in America, they trust you, they trust on your face value, and they don't ask you to attach all those degrees and diplomas. Based on your one-page CV, you will be called for interview. As per the common practice in America, probably you will be called by the recruiters, third-party recruiters. They are the one on behalf of the employers. They conduct your initial interview. If you are found to be good one, then they will hand over to the original employer. They will be subjected for another interview. And luckily, if you are a fortunate one and you qualify that second interview, then you have to clear your 10 years background history, criminal background history. You have to pass their medical examinations, and you are finally called for job. Again, on the jobs, there is a orientation, there is a training. Those people who are not good one in their basic subjects, they get another opportunity to prove themselves that they are good one. I'm talking about those who are hired through recruiters, but there are chances you might hire through the employees directly. So if you get hired by the employer directly, you would be appointed in a very reasonable salary. But when you are hired by recruiters, there is a chance for you to have a negotiations. Reason being, they try to get their own cut out of your salary. This is what they get as a commission. After all, they render their services, they go through all initial scrutiny. Therefore, they deserve to have some type of a commissions. So this is what I'm talking. This one-page resume for all type of jobs which are available in America. But those students who are coming in American universities to enhance their level of educations, they need to attach your all paper degree, diplomas, and every type of certificate in order to make their eligibility, considered in American universities. Plus, don't forget to attach your GRE or MRE results along with the equivalency certificate from Higher Education Commission. I think I have given the answer of your all questions. My bottom line is they trust you, they trust on your face value. Whatever you write, your interview is conducted on that one-page descriptions. And this is the practice which I have witnessed myself when I landed. First time I was interviewed page on my one-page CV by third party, by recruiter, and then I was hired by Samsung Telecommunications, then I was hired by GD, General Dynamics, and afterward I worked there for a couple of years, and then I started doing my own self-employment. Thank you very much.